How to fix all sounds muted on Samsung device. What's up everyone, in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can fix if all of your sounds are muted on your device. So if I press my volume button right here, I cannot access my media control, and if I tap on the menu section right here, I cannot access my ringtone or my Bixby or my notification or my system sounds. So all of these volume sliders are disabled right now. So I'm going to show you guys how to fix it. But before we go ahead, make sure to head down below to like the video and subscribe, and also turn on the post notification so you don't miss out on any new videos. Alright, let's get started. First thing first, you want to head over to your phone settings, and here if I go to my sounds and vibrations, I cannot access any of my volume settings from here as well. All of these volume sliders are disabled. Now what you can do is check on your accessibility settings if your mute sounds is enabled or disabled. Once you're on your accessibility, tap on hearing enhancement, and here is an option to mute all sounds. So if this option is turned on, then all of your volume sliders will be disabled. You just have to turn it off, and now I can easily access my volume sliders. So if I go to my volume, I can change all of these volume sliders right here. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe. I will see you on the next one.